All right, I have three big news stories for you in the world of AI. The first up is the Agentic AI Foundation. This was started by Anthropic, OpenAI, and Block, and it is going to be overseen by the nonprofit Linux Foundation. They also oversee things like Kubernetes and PyTorch. This is to promote interoperability. I think I got that right. Of AI agents, these are things using like the Model Context Protocol or MCP by Anthropic, Goose, which is another AI agentic protocol by Block, and then agents.md or a markdown file by OpenAI. And what this does, it paves the way for truly agentic AI tools and applications that will work cross platform. So developers can put together these agents and one time and they'll work everywhere. Similar to the way a website works. You code it once and it kind of just works everywhere. Next up is more apps inside of ChatGPT. Back in October, they announced that Spotify and Canva were now available and usable within ChatGPT. Now they've opened that up to Adobe, and this includes Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Express, and Adobe Acrobat for PDF making. That is going live as of today. So in addition to these apps coming in, they've added in shopping from places like Best Buy, Walmart, and Etsy. And this is making Sam Altman's promises and dreams, if you will, of ChatGPT becoming an operating system come true. And the last story hits home for me because of the kids that I've got at home. Pew Research has just come out and stated that US teenagers, about 1/3 of all of them, are using AI chatbots daily. This is actually up by about double in the last year. Now, another third proclaim that they're not using AI at all. And the reason I find this to be a bit troubling is we've also seen quite a few stories of places like ChatGPT or OpenAI, Character AI being sued because young people have committed suicide after having extended time talking to a chatbot. If you're like me and you've got young people at home, this would be from tweens to teens, you need to be in direct communication with your kids about what AI tools that they're using, teach them some proper ethics and use cases on how to use it, and then you really need to monitor how much and what they're saying to these chatbots. We need to keep our kids safe. And unfortunately, this is a new Wild West for us.